Hello friends, welcome to the Next Level Learner. Friends, today we are going to learn about MCBs, which is divided into two parts. So this is the part 1 video. In this video I am going to tell you about the need of MCBs, advantages and tripping types of MCB. But first, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates. Let's get started. Let us see the need of protective devices. Okay, so it helps to ensure safe and healthy working conditions, prevent damage to an electrical system, protect from the risks of injury. It includes circuit breaker and fuses. Protective devices consist of fuse and circuit breaker. There are number of types of fuse and circuit breakers like MCB, MCCB and ELCBs. So let us see the need of circuit breakers. A circuit breaker is manually or automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical system or circuit from the damage caused by overload or short circuit. It automatically switches off the electrical system or circuit during abnormal condition of the network, means in overload condition as well as in faulty condition. So today we are going to learn about MCB. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. There are two types of tripping mechanism used in MCB. First one is magnetic tripping mechanism and the second one is with the help of bimetallic tripping. As high current or short circuit current through a coil increase the strength of magnetic field of the electromagnet. As soon as the current in this circuit becomes larger enough to trip the bar is pulled toward the magnetic element, the contacts are opened and the current stops. This is also called as short circuit protection. So let us see the magnetic tripping levels of MCB. B curve MCB provide 3 to 5 times of the input, or you can call it as a rated current. Okay, protection. C curve MCB provide 5 to 10 times of the input current protection, and D curve MCBs provide 10 to 14 times of the rated current protection during short circuit. For example, if the rated current of MCB is 1 ampere and the MCB is B curve MCB, so the short circuit current of B curve 1 ampere MCB is 3 to 5 ampere, and for C curve 1 ampere MCB the short circuit current is 5 to 10 ampere, and for the D curve MCB the short circuit current is 5 to 10 ampere. So these are the short circuit protection levels of MCB. The different curves of MCB used in different applications. The MCBs are used in generators, motors, domestic distributions, industrial distributions, LV transformers, etc. Now let us see the thermal tripping of MCB. It will protect a circuit against a small overload that continues for the longer time. In thermal trip, MCB, a bimetal strip, is connected in series with the circuit load. As the current of MCB increases beyond the overload current, it hits enough the bimetal and thus the bimetallic strip bend as per the current level and close contact will be open. Let us see the advantages of MCBs. It automatically switches off the electrical circuit during abnormal condition of the network, means in overload condition as well as in faulty condition. Handling MCB is more electrically safer than fuse. MCB is much more sensitive over the current than fuse. Another advantage is as the switch operating knob comes at its off position during tripping, the fault zone of the electrical circuit can be easily be identified. In the next video of MCB, which is MCB part 2, we will going to see the internal assembly working principle and live practical example of MCB. I have done some experiments on MCB. If you have any query, comment below. I hope you like this video. If you want any information related to electronics and electrical things, if you have any suggestion to improve my channel, please comment below. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Thank you.